In this video, you will learn the essential skill of clarifying information in English conversations using example sentences. The lesson covers how to ask for clarification using various phrases. By the end of the video, you will have improved your communication skills, making you a more confident English speaker. Imagine you are in a conversation with your English-speaking friend, and they use a word or phrase you don't quite understand. What do? You ask for clarification. Asking for clarification is an excellent way to ensure you grasp the meaning. Let's look at some useful phrases to ask for clarification. I'm sorry, but I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat it? I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Could you explain it again? Excuse me, but I'm a bit confused. Can you clarify that for me? I'm having trouble following. Could you give me more details? Now that we know how to ask for clarification, let's focus on how to provide it using example sentences. When we clarify with examples, it makes our explanations clearer and more helpful. Here are some phrases you can use to provide clarification. For example, let me illustrate this with an example. To put it simply, here's a practical example. It's practice time. I'll give you some sentences, and I want you to ask for clarification using the phrases we learned earlier. Then, I'll respond by providing clarification using example sentences. Let's get started. Sentence: I got a score of 80 on the test.
Excuse me, but I'm a bit confused. Can you clarify that for me?
Of course. Let me illustrate this with an example. Getting a score of 80 means you answered 80% of the test questions correctly. Sentence: she's really good at playing the guitar.
I'm sorry, but I didn't catch that. Could you please repeat it?
Certainly. Here's a practical example. She can play various songs by Jimi Hendrix and Eric Clapton flawlessly. We need to finish the project by Friday.
I'm not sure I understand what you mean. Could you explain it again?
Absolutely. To put it simply, all the work must be completed before this week's Friday, not any later. Great job, everyone. You've now learned how to ask for clarification using example sentences and how to provide clarification in your English conversations. Remember, clear communication is essential, and these skills will help you become a more confident English speaker. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve. That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting ESL lessons, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.